In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I would rule up a die in Adobe Illustrator to make placement of graphics easier. So I usually divide up my file by background image, if there's any, fill colors, art, then my die line, and then I put any dimensions that are included with the die and it's on its own layer. And then I make a separate layer for guidelines, and I just turn the ruler on, Command R, and I just do the horizontal lines and then the vertical lines. And I make sure that my guidelines are unlocked. View guides. I unlock them. So that's a toggle lock, unlock guides. And then I select the die. I have all my lines on a separate die layer. And so I select that and I select my guideline and I align them, and then I'll just turn off the die, or I'll lock the die and then set my cursor as an 1/8. But depending on the size of the die, I might go in a 1/4 if it doesn't look like it's enough. And then I just repeat that process. I'm just going to option drag, and I align the next. Unlock my die layer, align the next line, and then move that in an 1/8. And then since I know that this is a 1/4 away, as I had my cursor value set to an 1/8 and I moved it up twice, then I just hold the Option key and I'll hit it 4 times. Whoops. Option key to copy, and then I'll move it, and then release the Option key and move it down. So I know that that's a 1/4, a 1/4 up and a 1/4 in. And I just do it again. Here I'll select my Option key, drag, align the bottom, and then move this in, up a 1/4 and down a 1/4. I don't really need to do that unless there's like a barcode or something that's going on the bottom and I want to visually be able to align that. And then when I'm done with my horizontal lines, I just do my vertical lines. Drag it, align it, move it in. I just hold my Option key and I make a copy of it, and then I'll just move it in. And same here, Option key, align it, move it in. Sometimes I'll leave a rule guide just right on the die as well. And then I'm just doing the same procedure. Align it. And then copy it. And I'll copy this and move it. And same here. Align it. Option copy, move. Hold the Option key, arrow key to copy, move. This really makes it much easier when I have these visual lines. Then I can even align elements directly to the guides this way. So that's why this is handy. Option to copy, move. Moving with the arrow key. I see I'm in a 1/4 on all panels. So that'll help me with lining up elements, graphic elements. So I hope that's helpful. Then actually I can lock it and then work with them and then just lock it back up again. Same with the die. It's very handy to have these different elements on separate layers, just so you'll be able to isolate them and work with them independently. So I hope that's helpful. Please subscribe, like. Thank you for watching.